And business sucks though. Not to be messed with. You need to have small socks. And then importance of a matching Chuck to your shirt. I believe they call this an Ombre Chuck. On the days that you need extra power, that's what you do. Don't fuck with it. Key. Man shit. Yorkies. Trucks. Man shit. Costco. Do not remove the card.
If they do, then yeah.
Debit
then that's
processing.
Now this one, you have to tap on it, so just go right underneath here like that. That's it.
Donna likes to keep an eye on things.
It doesn't like inserting it in.
Okay,
It
girl.
does, but if you put it in, you gotta leave it in.
Donna,
I did.
say hi.
Well, it
Wave
stayed
to the
there for
camera,
like,
Donna.
oh, it stayed there for like 2 minutes.
Go ahead.
3 minutes and then. All right, that works. Thank you.
That's right, girl.
All right, yeah.
All right, give it a wave. Give him a wave. So, as always, we're already late, and I need your gas. So, what are you gonna do? Cool thing is the gym will wait, and so will Tommy. He expects me to be late. Nothing new. Isn't that right, girl? Isn't that right, girl? You getting cleaned up today? Yes, you are. So is the truck. It's filthy, embarrassing. People are judging, watching. It's not good. Harvey, you good, buddy? Harvey's inside. I'd have you come look, but there's forced it, so you can't. Keeps us safe. 31 gallons. It's basically a fucking Prius. It's kind of, this will last like a day. Not great on gas mileage, but hey, it's sexy. Hi, you ready? Jax, come on.
It'll be okay. Should I wear a mask?
I've got one.
When you pick your kids up from school and they're babies, certain things you have to do. They don't have kneecaps, you gotta put them in, then you get them their phones. This kind of hushes them a little bit so they don't talk too much. Get them a fucking snack pack, you know. Get them on their way. Okay, buckle up, kiddo. Be safe.
Help. I need help.
So, Todd, at this point, she has to be nice. See if I'm gonna let her out.
Watch me jump. Break my knees. Today.
Adulting. Fucking children. Put your mask on. Safety first, people. Safety first. Take me to church, people. Take me to church. It's leg day. Sunday. Have some quiet in here. Kind of feel like the world knew that Tommy and I needed this place. Music is just right. It's a little angry. The cooler was closed. Scott. So we had to look at each other, and Todd had to go on a little mission. He handled it. I got my Snickers, health food. Tommy has water. We're in business. It's grow time. Always lead off with the adductors. Seem to open everything up before we bring the pain. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 9. One more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 10.
So, I gotta put the mask on because you're getting close. I feel like you might be within 6 feet. Okay, we're good now, you're safe. Tommy's invincible, so I don't worry about it. I let him drink out of my straw. 0 fucks given. We both have it, so we're good.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Let's work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Yes, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. Come on now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 12. More. 5, 4, 3, 2, 13. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 14. Give me one. Give me one more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Good.
New Lords of Metal.
Save money if you bundle your home and car insurance with Geico. One more thing. I know you love lavender scented candles.
We're gonna go real slow on the negatives today. I like to sit in the bottom, but I found for me, low back gets tight. So instead, and slow the negative even more. Keep the feet nice and low. Try to keep them low on the platform. Today's primarily a quad day, and bring the pain that way. I'm kind of bouncing around because I like limited equipment for quads, just simply because it's what's worked for me. We try to change the time and attention. So today, super slow, super low, no pause at the bottom, and blast up. So be painful. It's not that I'm fat, it's cold. It's cold. It's not fat. It's not that I'm a fat fuck. No, sir. What I find the most difficult part is being explosive off of the bottom when you're going that slow. Because you're literally waiting. At the length of my legs, I'm waiting for the count. 6 is comfortable. This is slow as fuck. So it makes this more about math than bodybuilding. Which is good, because I'm better at bodybuilding than math.
Boom! Sir, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. Come on now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. Let's boom! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Boom! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Oh, boom, one more. Give me another. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Right. You're fucking ready. There we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. Again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. Again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Up. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. Stop! Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Stop! Put the reps. Let's go. Now we got big. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. Stop! Come on! Yes, sir. I need 2 fucking reps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. Hour. Let's go. Let's go. 4 big reps and go again. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Stop! Right! Stop! Come on! Stop! That's your fucking run. Good. Nice set. Shit. That 7 was hard.
So that was a long one. 8 counts is slow. Tommy's a fucking mathematician. Every rep you got it right.
Make this shit nasty. I'm with you. Let's go. Yes, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. 4, 3, 2, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. Come on! 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. Smooth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Oh, fucking smooth. Let's go. Now we're working. 11. 12. More. Come on, D. I got you. Let's go. Let's fucking go. 4, 3, 2, 13. More round. There's more. 4, 3, 2, 14. Let's go! Yes, sir.
That was hard, believe it or not. I was shooting for 15.
14 took a while.
Yeah, well, when it came backwards, I guess we'll call this good. Unless Tommy wants to do like a sled push.
I'll have to throw my shoulder in for 15.
Really the goal today was focus on Tommy's counting, make sure his rhythm was right. I feel like he's good for whatever dance class he has coming. 3, 4, shake. He's got it. It's gonna be fine. I'm sending White Boy out into public, dance moves. It's gonna be fine. It's the first country line dancing concert. Competition coming up. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. So, typically, I switch back to trucks for the leg press, but having a little knee issue, and I just randomly, truthfully decided to try them on my warm-ups, see how I felt, so I could push through that heel a little bit better. So I was actually lifting my toe, driving into the heel, but still keeping my feet low, and it seemed to work. So you won't typically see me do that, because if I go heavier and I lean into that toe, and I'm in these shoes, I'm already like calf fired position. I really fucked up my calf one time doing that. I thought I tore it, but for whatever reason, literally, I think my PT Jason said like I had like 6 different adhesions all pop up at once from doing that. So I recommend you staying in your flat shoes, your regular shoes, typically. But today it was actually a calculated risk and paid off. So do some extensions, get the fuck out of here. I think I'm gonna eat some sushi today.